Hi, my name is Kene Iloenyosi, and I've been in the public speaking world for over 25 years. As a pastor, business owner, professional speaker, Toastmaster, and I got to serve as district governor for Toastmasters in the state of Georgia. Through these experiences, I've seen how effective communication skills can transform the personal and professional life of anyone. This is at the heart of what we do here at Speechworks. We help our clients improve their communication skills by focusing on 3 key areas: how to structure a presentation, how to deliver it in a way that connects, and how to answer questions in a manner that inspires confidence and builds credibility. And we do this through 3 core workshops: the Persuasive Speaker Workshop, the Impromptu Speaker Workshop, and the Executive Speaker Workshop. In the Persuasive Speaker Workshop, we teach participants how to structure their presentation, deliver it comfortably, and handle questions effectively. Our Impromptu Speaker Workshop teaches participants how to effectively communicate in an impromptu situation where they have little or no time to prepare. And our Executive Speaker Workshop is a 2-day workshop that combines the content of the Persuasive and the Impromptu Speaker Workshops. We cater to a broad variety of practical speaking scenarios and can help you improve your effectiveness, develop or refine the soft skills required of good leaders, and give you the tools to build your confidence when speaking in front of an audience. This is our heart here at Speechworks.